You know what I hate? When you get that stupid, popular song stuck in your head and it won't go away, and everyone is singing it. I kissed a girl and I liked it. Taste of her cherry chapstick. I absolutely hate that song. You don't even understand. I mean, it. I don't mind Katy Perry. She's a good singer, but that song is too overplayed. It's just like that stupid I wanna write you a love song. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. That was the only intro I could come up with. I'm dead tired. I've been going like 6 days with on about like 4 hours of sleep a night, or 4, 5, 6 hours sleep a night. I've had to wake up every day at 7, 8 in the morning and not get back till about 11:30 at night. I woke up this morning at 8 in the morning, got the bus, went to co-op, got back around 3 o'clock, was home for 2 hours, ate lunch, fell asleep on the couch because I needed to power nap, and then went to work and just got home now and it's 11:30. Oh, and Katho, that impression of me, spot on. That was fantastic. Mike, you fail at that, but the bedsheet thing, that was pretty funny. I had 2 challenges this week. Haley, you never challenged anyone on Tuesday, but I had 2 challenges this week and I did them both. The first one was talking in an Australian accent. Now this can be very hard for me, seeing as I don't have an Australian background. I have a French and Scottish and British background, but I can do those accents pretty decent. When it comes to Australian, not so much. But we're gonna give it a go.
I am the new Friday person. Surprise! And
I am the new Friday person. Surprise! I don't know really what else to say. I could pull Damien and talk about dingoes and weird Australian things, but I'm not going to talk about that. I love kangaroos. Okay, so that was absolutely pathetic, but I did it and it's over with, which is great. The first little bit was a copy from Katho's video. Also, I was challenged to draw a picture of myself by Damien, so I did. I used to have fun and draw caricatures all the time. No idea why. I would just do it. So I decided to draw a caricature of myself instead of like a stick figure. So this is me. Yeah, I'm playing a guitar. There's a camera down there with some pictures. Some dirty dishes because my mom's always complaining about how I don't do the dishes. And a crown because I order a lot of people around. And fangs. You know. And I'm winking because I'm crazy. Damien, who is your favorite spogger and why? Who is your favorite 2 spoggers and why, actually? You have to pick. You can't just say I don't have favorites. You have to pick 2. Yep. So, I really have nothing else interesting to say. Have a great Thursday, and I'm sorry for the late video.